While they might seem like toys, a high-quality quadcopter is a serious investment, and an easy way to add production value to a film project, or get a unique view on the world for your travel vlog. We've flown plenty, and these are the best drones in our tests. Professional SG907 Pro GPS Professional drone with 5G Wi-Fi Professional 4K HD 2-axis gimbal camera supports TF card optical flow RC quadcopter Dron PK SG906 Pro. Main selling points. 1. Equipped with a 2-axis gimbal self-stabilizing 4K camera. 2. Equipped with Sony INX179 camera, Super HD aerial photography. 3. GPS function, GPS 1 key return, GPS positioning, GPS low battery return, GPS follow, etc. 4. Support SD card, aerial video and photos are automatically saved in SD card. 5. Smart lithium battery upgrade from 7.4 volts to 7.6 volts 1600 mAh. 6. SG907 PRO weighs about 285 grams. Recommended model. 1. iOS. Product model iPhone 6 and above, iPhone 6 and above. System version iOS 8.0 and above, iOS 9.0 and above. 2. Android. CPU model. Snapdragon 630 and above, Samsung Exynos 7420 and above, Helio X25 hair department and above, Kirin 950 and above. Snapdragon 835 and above, Samsung Exynos 8895 and above, Helio X30 hair department and above, Kirin 970 and above. Features. The GPS returns to the takeoff point with one button, and the low power returns to the air, and there is no signal to return. GPS Smart Follow. After the aircraft links to GPS, the app follow function is turned on, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. Image following, 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to identify the subject and perform automatic follow-up flight. Gesture shooting recognition, within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, make a camera gesture included. 1x quadcopter, 1x USB charging cable, 1x remote control, 1x screwdriver, 4x blades, 1 by 7.6 volts 1600 mAh LiPo battery, 1x manual. Check description and big discount now. Thanks for watching.